bigger than my face. You can't see me, can you? You can't see my face. Now, can you? Haha, you can't see my face. How you can.
Welcome to Ahan's Toys Review.
Today we're going to be making really fluffy slime. So to make this slime, you're going to need borax, glue, shaving cream, and food colorings if you want to make it colorful. And so first, I might actually be better off with one at a time. My brother got the... Come on. Glue is in. Still coming. And I think that's it. And then I used Elmer's glue. You can use any. You have to add shaving cream. Oh, you need the lid off. Press here and the shaving cream will come. Okay. Wait. I think it's there. I'll help you. Okay, Arjun? Okay, that's enough shaving cream. Sticky. That was funny, my brother's trying to... Okay, Arjun. Press hard. I'll help. When my brother's done mixing, we can add the borax. Mix more and we'll have slime. Yes! Okay. Here. Okay, now have slime. So before going into that part, we have to add food coloring. First I'm going to do mine. Well, my brothers can do his while I do mine. So here, green. Okay, now me and my brother are going to add some food coloring. Arjun, add your food coloring. My brother's doing blue, I'm doing green. Okay, 2 drops, another one, and another one. Now me and my brother are gonna mix. Mix, Arjun. Oh, look at it.
Look at that. My mix.
Look at my mixing.
Look at the making.
Look at me and my brother mixing. Come on. I'm trying to get all the shaving cream plus glue in with the food coloring. Now it looks like my brother's is marbles because of like the white strips and stuff like that. Mine looks kind of like it, but it's not. At least that's what I think. Look, I'm gonna cut it like a cake. Oopsie. So what you want to do now is you want to add borax powder into warm water, which I have already done here. And you want to like take some, put it in, mix it up. And then take some more, mix, take some more for 3 times, and then mix it up. Okay, now I'm gonna pour borax into mine. Oh, and the measuring cup floats, but that's awesome. Okay. Now let's mix.
Now go.
Look, mine's starting to stick. Look at that. Okay, I didn't mix now. Mix. Oh, it's still like wet. It's like oobleck a bit. It's kind of like oobleck. This is oobleck right now. But I'm sure it'll turn. I took my thing out and then I put my hand in. I took out my stick and now I'm mixing with my hand. I'm gonna add like a half cup more of borax. Since I think my brother is like done. But, okay, now let's add some more borax. Okay. Okay, let's like mix more with mix the borax. Okay, I'm mixing the more borax. my brother's mixing too.
No, making. I'm bored.
Flip it a bit. My brother's playing with the slime, I guess. Did you see? It's not sticking. Just a second ago, my hands were so sticky. It's not sticking anymore because I think it was because of the borax. It's a bonding agent that came and saved the day of stickiness. So funny. Look at my brother's. It's so non-stick. Awesome. Look at mine. There's a whole difference between mine and my brother's. Whoop. Whoop. And that's pretty much it. But you can make it better at home. Look, ours are bouncies. Oh, that one didn't bounce a bit. See? I'm going to take a small amount and turn it into a bouncy ball. There. I made a tiny bouncy ball. So awesome. You could feel it through the screen. If there was like a portal where you could stick your hand in and stuff. This is shaving cream. Let's mix it in a bit. Let's make another small amount and then bounce it again. Let's roll it up into a ball so it bounces good. It feels like hard. It feels like gel or something. Look. The feeling of it. It feels like gel. Some sort of gel. But like hard gel. Mix if you like. Look at that.
Look at it, tiny ball.
Now I'm mixing it with my fingers. So this is an easy homemade experience anyone can do at home. The tricky part is finding the borax. Or having the borax. Okay. Big bouncy ball. Big bouncy ball. Big bouncy ball.
Big bouncy ball.
First it's an even bigger bouncy ball. Yeah. Abdul's is more non-stick than mine. I can play basketball with this. If we had an even more fun amount of slime, we could play basketball. I think this is about a pound or something because that's how heavy it feels. It feels like a pound. So awesome. So good. So successful. Really awesome. Comment down below if you want us to do any different types of slime, so we'll do it in our next slime video. This is so awesome! I have a wig. Proclaimers. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Bye!
Bye.
This is so fun. This is so slimy. This is so green. This is so mint green. That's so blue. This weighs like 100-pound weight. No, it doesn't. It weighs like a 1-pound weight. Or 1 pound safe. No, slime down. At first it felt like oobleck. Now it feels like actual normal slime. I'm going to flatten this out and see if it's bigger.